Welcome to Busy Bee Living. Today we are going to replace the battery in our key fob here. And we want to first find that little tab to release the actual key unit from there. It's going to expose some access points for us. Then we're going to take out our little handy kit here. If you haven't gotten one of these yet and you have kids, definitely get it. As you can see, it comes with everything you need to work on small little electronics and kids toys. It comes in huge and handy, and it has this little pouch so I don't end up losing everything. Now we're going to get a little tool out to help pry and get into the access points here. Now if you don't have this kit, you can use a small flathead screwdriver to get this done as well. You're going to want to get these little notches here. You can see those little openings, and you can get in there and pry up on the plastic piece. Now just be careful because, like I said, it is plastic. And then you want to work around the edge as you start loosening it. Also, once you get in here, you can use your thumb to hold up where you have it pried, and then you can slowly work down and pop that piece right off. And now you can see we've accessed where the battery's at. Now it has two little tabs holding the battery into place, and that's just what we need to pop it free from. It doesn't take a lot of effort or force. It should just pop free, go flying, and you'll never find it again. But we do want to replace it with the CR2450 battery. As you can see, we have a pack here. Now when you go to place the battery back into the key, you want to make sure you're putting it in the proper way. You want the label facing back outward towards you so you can actually read the type of battery. That's the proper way it should be seated into your key fob. You just slide it in and then push down on the two tabs, and now it's locked into place. Now put the back plate by inserting the bottom, and it should clip in, and now you can reinsert the backup key as well. And there you go. Your battery is replaced and your key is back up and running. Hope you guys found this one helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'd love to earn your subscription as it really does help us out as a channel. And as always, links in the description for anything required. Thanks again.